Let's see what we can do. Oh. Ah. 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 All right. All right. That should be like super fucking easy. And you know what? And we're gonna use ChatGPT for it. We're gonna use ChatGPT for it. Again, bro. Yeah, you guys already know the deal, bro. You guys already know the deal. We're gonna use ChatGPT because why not? You already know. You already know. We owe ChatGPT a lot. We really do. Hold on. We owe ChatGPT almost everything, you guys. We really do. Let's keep it a buck. Here, let me show you. Fuck, where am I going? Alright, here we are, here we are. Honestly, like, ChatGPT is good for dishing out, like, really quick, simple shit. That's what I really use it for. Shit to where I don't have to spend, like, the extra brain power. Shit I could come up with on my own, but I just really don't feel like it. Because it's not that serious when I have ChatGPT. You know what I'm saying? Like this right here, you know? Let's see what it does, though. Max age seconds. Okay. Age seconds. Min size, max size. Alright, I am gonna grab some variables for this, I guess. We'll see what happens. I mean, does a model... Hold on. I'm trying to see if a model actually has a size. I've never checked. I've never looked. Scale. Where is it? Where is our model? What does scale do? Holy shit. Well, if that's... Oh my god. Now it's like super fucking tiny. Is this something we can change? Like in code? I've never... Hold on a second. How do I change the scale property of a model instead of directly changing size? Scale 2. Alright. So, maybe I can come up with a regular size, which I guess is that could be like the full-grown size, right? So now I just need to figure out what the scale size should be. Is that too small? Is this too small? I mean, we can't even see the fucking face texture. Yo. That might actually be too small, bruh. Okay, so what's more reasonable of a starting scale? Is that? That is more reasonable, I think. Let's see about that. Now, in Grow a Garden, they're way bigger, but I want to kind of make it a little smaller because it's a spider. I like that. Is that too small, though? I feel like that's too small, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about this, bro, for a second, because I don't know. That just seems a little small. Alright, let me see. I feel like it's not too small, but what is the player gonna think? Like, I would personally like it being that small. And then when it's full grown, it's obviously gonna be a lot fucking bigger. And it's a spider. So, like, I feel like that makes sense, it being that small. And you can kind of see... You can kind of see the little face on it. I don't know. Let me see if I can change it just a little bit more. Let's see what 5 does. Okay, I think we're gonna go with 5 starting because I do feel like 4 is just a... It's just a tad... It's a tad bit too small. That's a tad bit too small. All right. Let me pop you guys out of here real quick. What'd you... You're back. Yeah, I'm back, bro. We gotta get this work done. I gotta get this work done. I gotta get this game out. I could be done with the programming in a few days, honestly. And I wanna get this out. So yeah, I'm back on it. Minecraft spiders are huge. I know, right? It's average. The spider that I have in game is average. All right. This is it right now. Is this the minimum? I like this. I personally like this. I think this is cool. And then the max size. So this is 0.5. I think this is reasonable. This is 0.5 scale. And then this is 1. So is that the max, or should we go even bigger? Like 1.2. I think we should go even bigger. Yeah, you like it small? Well, it's gonna grow as it ages. It's gonna grow as it ages based on the days. The maximum age is 7 full IRL days. So I'm just coming up with the max. Now this is gonna be... I mean, or should we keep it small? I don't know if we should keep it small. I think it should grow to, like, be fairly bigger. Right? Okay, I think that's a good size. Okay. I am... Here's... Alright. I'm going to keep it at 45. That's going to be the starting. I think 9. I think 9 should be the ending. I think 9 should be the ending. Because it's a spider. I don't want it to be, like, too fucking big. It's a fucking spider, you know? Like, I feel like that's reasonable right here, right? That's a reasonable pet. Like, a full-grown spider looks like that. That's kind of chill. Alright, so we have 4, 5. So we got to go to our pets data. Alright, Black Widow. Size. Min equals... Actually, we're going to just put in scale. Scale. Min equals 45. Max equals 0.9. Add me as NPC in your game. What would you do as an NPC in a Grow Grandma's Hair game? What kind of NPC would you be? Okay. A grandma. A grandma. How to stop being a lazy? I can't advance in my game like from 3 days ago. What happened 3 days ago to make you not want to do work anymore? Are you suffering from a common occurrence that all developers face unless they're a psychopath called burnout? Let's, okay, wait. This is my variables for pet size. Make a function that determines its scale to size via how many days it is. It is old. 7 being max days. 0 minutes being in seconds. Max days. 0 being 0 seconds being minimum. Boom! Alright. Why are those spiders in Grow Grandma's hair? Is that even a question, Tors? Is that even a question, bro? Really, Tors? Really, dude? What do you think, Tors? Tors in my chat acting a damn motherfucking fool. Why are there spiders in Grow? Add me like a selling NPC or something, just NPC. Add me like a selling NPC or something, just an NPC. Vexos, I don't even know what your avatar looks like, bud. What does your avatar look like? What? What's your name? Let me look you up, dude, and see if you're worthy. Motherfuckers in chat want to be a selling NPC. We'll see what you look like, dude. Are you freaking serious, Vexos? Chat, what am I looking at right now? What the hell am I looking at right now, bro? What the hell am I looking at? What am I looking at, dog? Yo! Vexos! What are you doing, bud? Hold on, let's do a poll. Chat, let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Make Vexos selling NPC in Grow game. Yeah. Chunk him up. Hell nah. Chat. Run that poll. Run that poll. Run that poll. Run that shit. Run that. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous, Vexos. Chat, okay, wait. For those who haven't seen him, this is him right here. Run that poll. Are we freaking serious? Are we freaking serious, dude? The seller NPC. The seller NPC, my guy. You got 5 votes, 60%. Come on, really? This right here. Are we freaking serious? Are we freaking serious? I don't know. 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 Can you get secrets? 50-50. It's 50-50. Run that poll. Run that poll. It's 50-50, bro. What is going on? Yukata. What is this username? I can't have Yukata as my seller NPC? Oh my god, no! Why is it at 57%? Are you guys fucking kidding? Bot owner? What in the... Let's run this friends list. What the... What the fuck is this? What actually is this friends list, bro? I just noticed, like, It actually has the same exact name. Vexos, what are you doing? What are you doing? 8 votes and it's 50-50, bro. And we don't do ties around here. Who is... I know. What is this? Bot ass accounts. Yo. Yo, is Vexos literally... Vexos is literally running an underground mining operation. Real time. Real time, you guys. Holy crap. Yeah. Yeah, run that. Run. No. Who just voted yeah? Who just voted yeah from hell motherfucking no. Hell no. Run that. Yeah, no. This guy's crazy. This guy's crazy. He's running a secret mining operation, bruh. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. All right. Refresh. I changed my avatar. This not gonna save you. Vexos, bro. Yeah, vote nah. Vote nah. I can't vote. Vote nah, bro. What is this game? What is this game? What is this group? What is this group? What is that group? I'm scared to click on it. I'm scared to click on it. You already know the poll, bro. We'll leave the poll open a little bit longer. Yeah, nah. Nah. I don't think so. I don't think so, bro. We're about to end the poll. I'm about to end the poll. I'll give it another minute, bro, but it's not looking good for you, Vexos. Not looking good for you, bud. Next game. All right, let me see this real quick. Let me see this function real quick. You hear me? Age in seconds. Bro, pass in the scale. I fucking hate ChatGPT sometimes. All right. It's not looking good, Vexos. I'm sorry, bud, but yeah, it's not looking good for you, dog. We'll look at the avatar again real quick. What do y'all think? He wants to be a seller NPC. Not looking good, bud. Damn, somebody switched the vote. Hey, they switched up on your ass. They switched up on your ass. Oh, no, they didn't. They didn't. They voted you. Okay. It's still not looking good. Have you tried Roblox's AI for coding? Hell no. That shit is trash. That is the worst AI I've ever freaking dealt with in my life. Never use that. Never use that. Ever. Yeah, you done, Vexo. You done. Stop cussing. Sauce, are we serious? Are you actually serious right now, bro? Stop cussing. Stop. What is going on? Sauce, what is going on? It really sucks. LOL. LOL. It really sucks. What are we talking about, Mark? What are you replying to? Oh, the Roblox AI. That's crazy. Damn. Bro, no. How is he? Nah, this guy's botting. This guy's botting. You're botting the votes. It's no, Vexos. You're known for botting, bro. You're known for botting, bro. How did we get 4 votes in the last minute? Another 5 votes in Yo! Vexos is actually botting chat, you guys. Vexos is actually botting chat right now. Vexos, you're known for botting! Look at this friends list! Look at this friends list, Vexos! You thought you were slick! Yo! As you're botting the votes, and you're not even on the yes. You're not even 50% above the yes, bro. Oh my god, bro. God damn. Only in GAG, bro. How do we get 5 votes in the last, like, minute there? You saw them rise up like that. There ain't no way. And look at these friends lists, bro. What do you do this for? Let's count. 3, 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6. 18. 21. 24. And you know this is another bot account, but why is this one a different name? Who is this? Is this another bot? I thought you couldn't even have 500 friends anymore. Or am I tripping? It's your brother? No bot accounts on him. No bot accounts on him. No bot accounts on him, bruh. That's crazy. Should be ashamed of yourself. How is this not even for sale? What is this? Smurf hat? Yeah, it's not looking good, Vexo. Sorry, bud. Yeah. We'll give it another minute. We'll give it another minute. Alright, what was I about to do? It's not looking good for you, bro. You're a bot. He's actually calling you a bot. You botted the votes! You even botted the votes, bro, and you're still losing. Crazy. Crazy. We gotta end that poll. It's past 10 minutes, bro. Crazy. Absolutely insane, bro. Absolutely insane. What do you want? Nothing! Stop botting! It's an honor. Please make me an NPC. Bro, we already ran the poll, bro. I'm sorry, dude. I already ran the poll. Sorry, bro. Ran the fucking poll, bro. We ran that. Chat ran that, bro. Chat ran that. People did exactly. Chat decided, bro. Chat decided, bro. Yo, what up, What up, Costo? What up, Dev Bazooki? Bro, is this real? Is what real? You're already an NPC IRL? That's so funny. Guys, second chance, please. Bro, we don't give out second chances here, Vexos. Alright, you know what, bro? Chat, should we give him a second chance, bro? I mean, I don't think we should, personally. I think we already ran that. Chat ran that. And yeah. Because then that makes me look like I don't appreciate chat. Then that makes me look like I don't appreciate chat, bro. Like, come on, bro. That makes me look like I'm a phony. Like I'm a phony, bro. Come on. You want to see the game output? What do you mean? How is pets not a thing? Is it? Did I label it pets info or what? I did. I labeled it pets info. Interesting. Didn't know that. This is the game output. We're on the pets controller and we're almost 1,200 lines deep. Roblox Studio? Bro, I hate knitting. What's knitting? Do you knit for your grandma or something? Like, did she break her fingers and you have to knit for her? Fucking weird, bro. Knit? What do you mean? I don't knit. Come on, dude. Alright, I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's test it. Let's test it. What else besides spiders? There's a whole list. Alright, let's see what this is. Did I not have that? Oh, I see. I see what I did. Just so it doesn't error. Dentures? What? What are we talking about, bro? This isn't a freaking dentist game. Come on, dude. Although I think a dentist game would do well on Roblox, because for some reason, kids love, like, dentist shit. I don't know. I wasn't really into dentist shit when I was a kid, but... like, kids nowadays, I feel like, love dentist shit. My daughter does. I don't get it. Alright, what did we do wrong? Attempt to next deal with men. Did we name it wrong? No. That's literally that. Type checking crazy. What are we talking about? Throws error after scripting. What does that even mean? What are we talking about? Vexbot. Yeah, that's crazy. Vexbot. Alright. What is going on here, dude? Imagine basing your aura off programming. That's crazy. Alright. Let's see what we did. Let's see what our fuck up was. You know what I'm gonna do though? I know why. I know why. I think I know why. I don't know why, actually. Let's just create a time, though. Fuck. What are we talking about, Vexos? Bro, relax. Relax. All right. Yeah. Dude, forcing your kids to test Roblox games? Really, dude? I don't let my daughter play Roblox. All right. Although I don't know why I didn't... I don't... I don't know. Let's see where we're at. Let's see where we're at. What up, RZ? What up, bro? Bro feeling after kid process. What does that mean, bro? What does that even mean? I didn't see the stream noti. It's all good, dude. It's all good. You missed some pretty crazy shit, though. I'm not gonna lie. Fucking a whole ass bot farm in chat. I don't even know what Clock is saying, deadass. Don't let people in chat annoy you, though. You can't be bothered by what people say at random. All right. Let's see how these pets. Let's see how we're looking. Yeah! We got pet scaling, you guys. Woo! We got pet scaling. Woo! Woo! Vexos little piggies on the stream. What the fuck? Yo. Hey, we got pet scaling. Woo! And now they're just gonna scale like that, dude, forever and eternity, bro. You know what I did want to do, though? I wanted to take down... Here's what I wanted to do with the Black Widow. Let's bring the scale back up, because we can now that we figured out our scaling situation. I wanted to take out the back, this little weird butt going on, dude. Like, I created like a little butt and I just wanted to take it out. That's what we're gonna do. Little butt. Little butt. It's a butt. It's a butt. All right, let me shut up. All right. Is that good? Is that good? That's better, right? That's better, right? Now we don't need a butt. And actually what I'm gonna do here, hold on, check this out. Check me 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 out. Check this out, dude. Hold on. Wait, is it even? It is. It is. Oh my god, first try even. Lit. Now check this out. It's web shooter. Is that too big for a web shooter, though? Is that too big for a web shooter? You're Asian and Indian? With some help. Wait, what? With some help from the creator, I've almost got my Charm framework finished. The creator of Charm, dude? RZ, what? You know the creator of Charm? Who's the creator of Charm, bro? What the fuck? When I said that NGA fixed spelling Kring, you ding dong Indian clock. What the fuck are we talking about, clock? What are you talking about? I just don't even know. JK, it's who's little Tenzi? What? Alright, anyways, is this spider thing, is this thing on the butt too big? The spider shooter? I think it is. Let's make it a little smaller, dude. That's better, right? I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's better. Cool, bro. Or did we just remove it? Did we just remove it? Let's do a fucking poll, dude. All right, let me know what you guys. Let me know, chat. Run that. Run that. Run that. We got a duh, 100% duh, 4 votes. I guess that's like, is that enough to like just say yeah, or should we let it go? I think that's like 4 instant votes of yes. 1 person says ew, hell no. What's a spider without its web? True. That's true. RZ, have you seen the updated, like, have you seen the worshipping and all that, bro? It's actually kind of sick, I'm not gonna lie. Not just the highlight. We got the info now. Yo, what up, Mad Lover? What up, bruh? What up, bruh? And we got our size right. Oh, no. No. Our size isn't working. Oh, we can start it off as we can start it out at 5. Let's start it off at 5 or just like 6 and then it'll run once. Wait. That's not right. We gotta, as soon as we create it, we gotta do it. I'm freaking tripping right now. As soon as we create it, we gotta do it. Alright, let's go to our pet where they're created. Have you ever tried to learn Godot or Unity, or are you only Roblox? Only Roblox. I don't like other game development, to be honest, bro. Alright, looks like we're giving our tiny spider a web shooter. Okay, this should work. Hold on. Yeah, this should work. Now our scale will be whenever. Did you put my art on your fridge? No, I didn't. Ooh, I didn't, bro. Yeah, dude, it's on my... No, 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 dude, it's totally on my fridge, bro. Totally, bro. It's totally on my fridge. Look at our spiders, dude! Look at our spiders, dude! Yo, dude! Look at the fucking spiders, man! Oh, shit, dude! Look at that one little web! Look at a little web. It looks like he got a little butt or something, bro. Look. That's crazy. Look at the little butt. Look at the little butt. Got a little butt. He's got a little butt. Are the spiders floating? I mean, not really. Like, yes and no. Everything's kind of floating, and that's just because I have +1 on the position of where everything gets created, and I haven't changed it because I ended up needing it before. I don't anymore. So, yeah. They're not floating, though, nah. They're not floating right now, nah. Nah, yeah. See? Like, they're not floating. See? Like, look at this guy. See, he ain't floating. Oh, literally. He's moving. He's trucking. He's trucking, bro. Dude, that's a game idea. Spider races. Bro, spider races? No, let's a shitty noob like Vexos to be in a game. God dang, bro. He's gunning for you. Make me NPC. Bro, we already ran that poll, bro. Like, sorry, not sorry. We already ran that fucking poll, though, dude. Make more like 9 tours and NPC in game. He looks cool. 9 tours. What's your Roblox user, bro? What's your Roblox user, bro? What is it, dude? Your user's 9 tours? How fucking original, bro. Same as your goddamn YouTube. Literally just copy everything, don't you? You're one of those copycatters, aren't you? Chat, should we make 9 tours? Bro, what games have you made? This guy's got... Chat, should we make 9 tours? Should we make 9 tours in NPC chat? Chat, I'm putting the poll up. Run that chat. Alright, let me get that shit going. Hold on, what do I... Alright. Make 9 tours NPC in Grow game chat. Oh wait, I didn't. It's not a poll. It's not a poll. Oh, I'm not even showing you his profile. Okay, hold on. Yeah. I was like Tate. I was like zoomed out for a second. I forgot. Start a poll. Dude is Liddy. Of course. Bro, please. Probably sleeps in a onesie. Alright, run that. Run it up, chat. Run it up, chat. Well, we had one vote and then it disappeared, so. Run it up, chat. Run it up, chat. You sleep in a onesie, but you should still be an NPC? That is actually crazy. What the fuck? I don't think so, bud. I don't think so, bud. Is this a Dead Rails bag? Money bag. Money! And then dude's using like the default zombie? Bright eyes. Run it up, chat. It's gonna. We're gonna let it run for 10 minutes. We're gonna let it run for 10 minutes. If 9 tours should be an NPC in the Grow game, we're gonna let it run 10 minutes. It's only 1 minute, and he's already winning. 7 votes in. 1K Robux is not much. What does that mean? Who said something about 1K Robux? I do sleep. How do you have trillions of Robux and your fit is still weak as hell? Why do you think he has trillions of Robux? Stealing my drip, bro. Now you have to make me an NPC. Run it up, chat. Thanks for playing. Let's play some of his games. Let's play some of 9 Tours games. Oh, we can't. You don't have any games. You don't even have any games, 9 Tours. Gorillions of Robuxes. Okay. Okay. Alright. 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 Where are the games at, though, dude? Thanks for playing my games. Psych! Yeah, people's in chat judging a person by its friends list. You guys so lame. Yo! You literally have all bots on your friends, bro. Look at this. 9 Tours doesn't have any bots. It's looking good for him, dude. Account deleted. Account deleted's kind of sus. Account deleted? 3 account deleted? Shit, bro. Procrastinating right now? I feel you, bro. 11 votes. Run it up, chat. Run it up, chat. We're gonna go to 10 minutes. We're gonna go to 10 minutes. What the fuck what, bro? Creations? Metro looks kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie. Metro looks a little boring, bro. This game looks fun as shit. I don't know why, but this game looks fun as shit. I'm not gonna lie. Haven't slept. It's 8:40 a.m. Should I sleep? Yes, clock, you should sleep. What if you had bacon hair? What if I had bacon hair on my friends list? Yeah, you do. You have like 50,000 bacon hairs, dude. You're botting your account, bruh. Are we fucking serious? Are we fucking serious? 9 swords. What the fuck is this game, dude? Holy shit! What the fuck? I don't understand the game. I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck. I'm fucking stuck, dude. Bye, have a good day. Thanks, bro. You too, Clock. Is that Tate, you goober? I don't get it. How did we even get here? They're quacking, bro. They're actually quacking. Oh, you're spawning them. Bruh. I don't understand the purpose of this game at all, bro. Like the thumbnail looked lit though. Like I'm not gonna lie, the thumbnail of the game looked kind of dope. But this is not it, bro. This is not the gameplay. Yo. This is crazy. Alright, let's try the other game. Wait, who just joined me? RZ joined me. Oh, fuck, I accidentally backed out RZ. I accidentally backed out RZ. Where are the addictive simulator? What? Alright, let's play the noted reality one. 3 million visits! How much did you make off this 9 swords? Like a gazillion Robux? My dearest friend, I hope this letter can make it to you. Bro, this is the worst. This font is giving me dyslexia, bro. All right. It must be horrible in times like these. Don't mind me. I'll be starting on my newest adventure into the unknown. Wish me luck, Sam. Okay, whatevs. What was that noise? Okay. What the? 9 tours. What do I do? I know. Bug trying to be like my spider, bro. Oh, what? That's another note? Recent reports state that over 75%, but 95%. Worst font choice again. Your fonts and lighting, bro, are like... What's going on, Nine Tours? Has been killed out by some sort of rapid spreading virus. Another letter. Most of... Is this a letter game? I'm not dyslexic. These fonts are ass. It's the lighting and the font. It's the lighting and the font. It's like the background and the font. Tours, you freaking goofball. You freaking goofball. Fucking dude. It's a story game, yes. So all you do is the letters. Brawl Stars, Grand, bro, go to Roblox Studio. We will build something. You, your friends, I will invite. No, thank you. Yo, what up, Fastlocks? What up, bro? Fastlocks, you missed some crazy shit, bro. Some underground botting, 9 tours games. You just missed some crazy stuff, man. I sold my Dominoes. Dominus? What? 3 million Robux. Yeah, this guy Vexos in chat was like had a account where he was like botting and stuff. Look, this is it. Oh, I fucking closed out of it. Ah. I just closed out of it, literally. Oh well, fuck it. Yours is worth more? Damn. Valk is cheap. What's this guy saying, dude? No idea what this guy's talking about. Oh, fuck. What am I looking at, RZ? What am I looking at, RZ? A Dominus? I don't even know what Dominus is, dude. Dude, don't tell me that we're gonna have to make this guy a freaking NPC in Grow game. Are we freaking kidding me? Should I let this mother run? Should I let this mother run to try to turn into my favor? Or are we... Yeah, I am a Roblox noob. I'm not hip with all like the Roblox lingo, bro. How did you find out it was UGC? What? Should I let this mother run a little bit? Get a little bit more votes? Can I be grandma? Hey, what's your user? Actually, you're on my friends list, aren't you? Are you not? Well, it's one of the better profiles we've seen. Am I right? Well, I guess. Yeah, I guess we have to end this poll. It's past 10 minutes. Like, I can't just let it ride it in my favor, can I? What the fuck? Tate, what are we talking about here? You did say 10 minutes at the start of the poll. I did, didn't I? guys, you guys fricked me, man. You guys fricked me. Who all voted? Who all voted? Who all voted? Who all voted? Dude is Liddy, of course. Who all voted? Dude is Liddy, of course. RZ ban everybody who voted. Dude is Liddy, of course. Are we fucking serious, dude? Pest Control is the only actual game I've made in low-key scripted like garbage, but it had a fan base for a second. What up, Yurkel? Good to see you doing well. Hope the games are going good. Probably don't remember me. We used to work together briefly. Yeah, I don't know you by Yuracle, so. But thank you. I appreciate it. Um. Oh, voting. Okay, we're voting. It's hide and seek type of game. Got you. Create a place. Brawl Stars. What are we talking about? What are we talking about, Brawl Stars? I mean, dead-ass. Dead-ass. Hiding time. Am I supposed to be hiding or like what's happening here? Whew. Oh! Come here, you. Get fucked. What is this weapon? What is this weapon, dude? Did I just like own you or what? A vacuum? Got you. I like this map design. Oh, you click it. Okay. Oh, am I a hider? Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Minus the dog UI, I think Tate cooked. I think this could have been a crazy good game. Is there a game like this on Roblox? You ain't gonna get me. Ain't no fucking way, you fucking... God damn it. RZ, you're banned. RZ, you're banned. Mod Prince revoked. Nah, ain't no way. Ain't no way you just got me like that. Nah, 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 nah. The roads? Dude, I'm not gonna lie. This is a cook. Like, I think you could actually, with some like adjustments, you could actually grow this to be a popular game. You would just have to drive traffic to it. Like, no lie. Who are all these fucking people? Holy shit. What is my... Oh my gosh. Damn! All these people join. Yeah, the UI is just like not good. Like it's very hard to read considering the choices and texture that you used. It like meshes with the background. I would change all the UI um at minimum. Yeah. And I would also oh shit, you jumping up there. You're so good, RZ. Fuck, dude, you're actually jumping up there. Fuck. Oh my god. Are we fucking serious, dude? I couldn't jump up. Tate, Tate, fix your game, dude. I couldn't jump up on the tree. Fucking shit, bro. Fucking shit, Tate. Fucking shit, Tate. What are these fucking cats doing? Yo, I'll be right back, you guys. I gotta check on that. The cats are like meowing right now. I gotta check on them real quick. I'll be right back. Alright. I'm back. Yeah, I think this game's a cook, though, to be honest, bro. Is there a game like this on Roblox, though? Does anybody know? The yard. I'd also get rid of the having to click. Having to click is kind of annoying to vote. Yeah, I don't like that. Like, you can have a click, but, you know, also make it to where you can just hop on it and touch it. Do you hear this guy's hat? Yeah, I did. They should, like, I don't know why they added that in Roblox. That's so lame. Yo, who's the fucking high? Who's the... Oh my god, can we not fit in here? Can we fit in here? I'm lit. I can fit in here. I'm lit, bro. There ain't no way you're killing me now. Yeah, good fucking luck, dude. Whoever... I think 9 tours is the finder. Dude, that fucking shit... That shit actually freaked me out, bro. Like, get that freaking skull sound out of here. Sound hats are pretty rare, luckily. Are they? Fucking sound hat. Dude, this game is great. This game is great. No way you fucking found... Bro. It's a fucking vacuum, dude. It's fucking crazy. Why am I in some random fucking spawn, though? Oh, I spawned right at the top of the thing. That's crazy. I wouldn't... I wouldn't really have that be a thing, though. Game's fire. It is, dude. I'm saying, like, I'm wondering if... I'm wondering if there's a game like it on Roblox. What's this game called? Is it Pest Control? Is it Pest Control, the game we're playing? That doesn't sound right. What's the game we're playing? Bro, that doesn't even make any sense, Tate. You have, that doesn't even make any sense, bro. New lobby, irrelevant. Actually irrelevant. All right, cool badges, but is this, can you actually upload badges like this? I don't know. That's cool if you can. All right, let me look up the hide and seek thing to see if there's any hide and seek. There's shrink, hide, and seek. What the fuck? Mega hide and seek. Hide and sneak. Oh, that's a box thing. Animal hide and seek. Huh, that's probably not as... I don't know what this game's about, but it's probably not as, like, fun as this one would be. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, this game's pretty freaking cool. Ain't no way he finds me here. If he finds me here, he's stream sniping. If he finds me here, he's stream sniping. Hide and seek with rats. Call it hide and squeak. Yo, find your own spot, 9 tours. God, 9 tours is gonna freaking get me found out. Oh my god! Hide and seek with rats. Call it hide and squeak. What? Is there a spectate? No, there's not. That'd be pretty lit, though. Okay, I think Godspot. Let me see this. W Easter egg? That is kind of a W, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, RZ. Did it work? Did he catch you or nah? Spectate is the binocular thing. Okay. 9 tours? 9 tours. 9 or not 9 tours. Tate. Or you're the person who created GAG? Yeah, I'm Jandel also. I also bought it out. Alright, so okay. Alright, I'm gonna make you a list. 9 tours. I'm gonna make you a list, bro. Okay, change the name. I don't understand pest control. Okay, so if you want to use pest, cool, but like I don't think pest control sounds right because pest control sounds like a simulator. You know, like this isn't really a simulator. So I don't know. Maybe change the name to pest something else. Change the font. The font is too much. It goes into the background. Like you can barely read it because it just goes into the textures of the background and it meshes together. It's very like not good. You want the font to be. Isn't this Tate's game? Yeah. Oh, it's not 9 tours. I'm fucking retarded. Fuck. I know. I just saw that. You're right. I'm tired. I'm like super tired. All right, Tate. All right. Maybe change the name. Change the font for sure. Change the font. I don't know. I feel like there's no need to vote. Get rid of voting. Get rid of map voting. It's a fast-paced game. It's a fast round, fast-moving game. Get rid of map voting. Make random maps. Make random maps that spawn. Add AFK. Add AFK maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna put a maybe list. I don't think it needs a lot more maps. I don't think it needs a lot more 9 tours. If the game is fun, the game is fun. He can get players as is and then updates. So as he updates and has players, he can just, you know, do all the. You were like 15 when you made this? Got you. How long ago was that, bro? Maybe change the name. Yeah, change the name. Change the font. Get rid of map voting. Make random maps. What else? What else? What else? What else are you guys thinking? Maybe I'll spend a week retooling it. What do you mean by retooling? I'm like, my vocabulary is dog shit. SVS. Use ChatGPT for what, bro? For what? Don't forget me when the game takes off. RC. Are you still updating it? Spend a week making it not jank. Yeah, sure, bro. Sure. I wouldn't. I would focus on these changes first, to be honest, because you already have a fun game. You already have a game that really could get players. It's just, are players going to stay and keep playing? Are you going to update the game, like add new maps, add a shop, you know, add something like that would entice people to keep playing, like some type of progression system or flex situation where players can get something to flex in game or something like that, right? I don't know what that would look like. I haven't played the game enough to really think about it enough. But these definitely focus on these for sure. I thought there was one thing that I was thinking about. I'm not too sure though. It might have been me overthinking, but I don't know. Okay. Like, I don't know. Oh, I'm the pest guy. Okay. You're fucked. Sorry, not sorry, Nine Tours. Sorry, not sorry, Nine Tours. What kind of hiding spot was that? You were blatant. You were blatantly in the open, dude. Freaking Nine Tours. Freaking Nine Tours, bro. Oh, yo, dude, are you actually that good at hiding? Holy shit, I could like barely see you. This game is actually fun as fuck. Yo, okay, another thing. Because it is a little bit weird and kind of confusing. Um, adjust, adjust colors and make a little bit clearer paths in certain areas. Okay, so what I mean by that, Tate, running around the bush. Yeah, I thought you were like, it looked like you were disappearing. You were doing it so perfectly. Um, so adjust colors and make a little bit clearer paths in certain areas. So what I noticed playing that last round is some colors of, like, say these stair parts, okay? Let me look for it here. This one's, yeah, look at this. Like, this isn't actually that bad. This kind of makes sense, but you don't need it. You see how this is like, you got like so many greens here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 greens, 3 different reds. Like, you don't need that, and it would really make the game look a lot more clean and feel a lot more clean if that was out of here. Same thing with this. This is, I don't know what the hell this is, but this is some random ass structure. You got 2 separate textures here, 2 separate textures here, separate texture here, different colors, different texture for these 2 things. Keep things consistent. I wasn't the builder on this game. Well, the building isn't actually that bad. It's just those little changes, like what I'm saying, would go a long way. It would make the building look a lot more clean. So like, you could, anybody could build this map, right? But it's the polish of it and understanding, as a little player, can I get away walking around to certain spots? And do I have to think hard to figure out a place to hide or not? You know what I'm saying? So it's not that the map is bad, it's just, you know, and then like some areas are just kind of like like, I don't know. Like, yeah, this is, it's like, I would add more. It's just a little too tight, maybe. Like, I would add a little bit more space, but still keep it tight. But just maybe a little bit more space. This is like really, this is cutting it close. I mean, look how tight this ladder is to this sandbox. It's really freaking close. Now, that might be nitpicky, but I do believe that that would go a long way in making the gameplay feel more smooth, which it already really feels a bit smooth. And I mean, it's fun. You know what I mean? But I would do that, bro. I would do that. I would do that for sure. Um, yeah, and I would like this here. These really, like, it's cool, I guess. Actually, this isn't that bad. Keep this. You can keep these. This is fine. This is fine. But I am nitpicking now. This is actually fine. This looks cool. Keep it. Whatever. It's the lobby. It actually looks really good. But for the map, make it very consistent. Now, if we're talking bushes in the middle, those greens, sure. Sure. Keep I didn't notice these actually. Keep these how they are. But when it's like other stuff like a fucking house on top of shit, like that's kind of like cluttery. This could be cleaned up quite a bit. I mean, there's just no reason for it to be so weird and abstract. And I just don't think it actually does anything for the gameplay. But yeah, some of this might be nitpicky, but I do believe that some of it is also like has its place. Well, I'm gonna try to get in here. Oh my god, I can get in here, chat. I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. Holy fuck. Oh, oh, oh! 9 tours, you freaking stream sniper, bro. Holy crap, you stream sniper. Am I invincible? I'm invincible. You can't even kill me. He can't even kill me. He actually can't even kill me. Oh shit, go back, go back. No, 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 no. Dude, some of that, okay, I'm like, I know I just went on a rant about colors and shit. That stuff does matter. I do think I was nitpicking a bit there, but I do want to go over, like, holy shit. I was invincible in the pot, though. That's crazy. I could have, like, survived the whole time. So, like I said, okay, the bushes are fine. Like, if the difference in colors makes sense, then it's okay. If it's smooth and polished and makes sense, then I think it's okay. That being said, some of it is just really out of place. So, in instances where it's really out of place, why am I, like, stuck now? You're better off just not doing the color transitions. Like, the color transitions here are fine because it doesn't feel out of place. It's not chaotic, right? But if we go over, maybe try to find something that looks weird, everything looks fine so far. This right here, I don't know. The difference in texture, it's like, you know, it's like, this isn't so bad, though. This one isn't so bad. This one right here isn't so bad. So I would say, like, that's fine, you know. Holy shit. So this map is actually good. I think this map is good. I haven't found, maybe that little house situation there is kind of fucked. Maybe not, actually. That map was actually really good. So I would keep the maps. I would maybe space it out a tiny, tiny bit more. And then anywhere you see like a chaotic mess, you know, like change it. You know what I mean? Change it. And this too, I have no idea what the fuck this is, but there's no need for, like, this would be considered a chaotic mess. You have 2 different sets of textures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. I don't know what these are, but they're just not needed. And then this UI, it just is really hard. It's blocky. It just isn't very clean. Like I had to like look at it. It looks all pixelated when I scroll out, and I'm not even at the max default Roblox zoom scroll out. Then this, I would change this because it's blocky. You have blocky textures and blocky UI. You need to have clear, crisp UI because you have blocky textures. Blocky UI works on clear background. Blocky UI doesn't work on blocky background. The lobby is the most recent thing we did, and it probably looks the best. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, this map is nice. I like it a lot. Yeah, that was a good map. That graveyard map is really good. I like it a lot. Yeah, all this is fine. So like, yeah, don't like nitpick it like I was, but I think you understand what I'm saying. Like there's certain parts that are very chaotic that don't need to be chaotic. These models are fine. I don't know what I would get. I don't know. I would personally get rid of this color change right here. It's just not even needed. It's a fucking flower. But whatever. That's also could be considered maybe nitpicking. Either way, these models are fine. I think all these are fine. It was the those weird fucking like flat with the weird parts around it was weird, bro. I don't know what I don't even know what those were, but yeah, get rid of those. Those were not it. Those were like random. It just looked like nothing, you know? Like it wasn't meant to be anything. Oh, okay. Maybe get rid of the pot too. Or at least make it to where like you're not invincible in the pot. Like you don't have to get rid of them. Like they're fine, but just you know what I mean? Like this, okay, this is an example of what I'm talking about. This is chaotic. You got all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different colors, and that's just orange, red, and yellow. And then you got blue, weird glass here, which turns the background into also their own colors. And then you got this brown here, this white here. This doesn't make any fucking sense whatsoever. Like this, like the roof is fine. I would tone it down. You don't need 4 different yellows for this tiny ass house. I would tone it down to maybe 3 to 2. 2 would look clean. Just make the floor one solid color and the stairs one solid color. Remove the brown and this extra white inside, and yeah, it just like doesn't make any sense. So that's one of those things that like that's one of those small differences and small polishes can really make a difference in feel on like how a player goes about and moves around the map. You know? Yeah. Another thing too, this might be nitpicky, but this really is kind of like weird to look at. And it's not important for gameplay. But that might be nitpicky. It might not matter. It's just that it is a lot for the eyes. Like I'm trying to focus on the player. I'm trying to focus on the players. If I want to spectate from above, I want to focus on the players. And I want to look at them moving around the map and the cool gameplay that is actually happening. That's what I want to do, right? When you have all this stuff at the bottom like that, it causes like subconscious distraction. Now, me, I notice it, but it can be subconscious for a lot of people to where they're going to have a harder time subconsciously focusing on the actual gameplay, and it might cause a pattern interruption inside of their head and cause them to want to leave, maybe something like that. You know what I mean? Little stuff like that can really go a long way. Like that, there's all science about that. I've gone over this in some of my videos. Like picture Veggie Tales and maybe make it to where I can jump up to high places or not. I don't know. Maybe not. I would say maybe not. An idea. That's not like a, you know what I mean? Like I don't think that's gonna be a game breaking thing. But if you think about it, there's in VeggieTales, there's not a single scene in VeggieTales where they have detail. Everything is bland and blank and plain. And I remember watching VeggieTales as a kid. I thought I was mesmerized, and I thought VeggieTales was amazing, and there was all this detail in it. When that wasn't actually the case. So for kids' minds, like they don't need all this detail to see cool shit. Instead, the detail can actually confuse them and cause them to be in this state where they're using less of their imagination, right? If I'm a kid playing this game, I'm going to have a harder time looking at the fun gameplay because all of this detail is around. Not only do I have these details right here, I have to like move over here to like look over. So that's another thing I would do. Another thing I would do, actually, yeah, is when you get rid of the voting, because you really should get rid of the voting. You don't need voting for this type of game. I would completely remove the voting. Just remove all these models too. Less is more, exactly, Nine Tours. Remove all of these models right here. And so now I have a perfect view. I don't need to like try to find my way. And then by the time I found my way to see this shit, the match is already over, right? I'm trying to look immediately after spawn. Also, spawn right there. Don't spawn me on top of the building. Now I have to work my way to be able to visually look down and spectate. The look down and spectate is a real thing. It's something that immerses me in the game. So, yeah, get rid of map voting. When you do that, get rid of all those objects right there on the ledge. Get rid of all of the details on the ledge. Get rid of all of this. You don't need that. And honestly, I would tone it down so much to where you don't even have these like blocks here. You don't even have this outer part here. It's just a plain square. You don't need it to be not a plain square. You don't need these details. They don't do anything for the gameplay, and they just distract kids and other for and able to be immersed in the to be immersed in the content and to be immersed in the game. Like that stuff really does matter, truly. I would also remove this. There's no need for me to move. There's no need for me to like go over here. I would just remove it. Like, it's gonna take me away from the game and the gameplay. If I'm a player and I'm walking over here, it's because the game isn't fun and I'm exploring to make it fun. That's what's happening if I walk over here. Remove it. Get rid of it. Delete it. You don't need it. I'm gonna write that down in the list too, bro. Is this helpful? Am I being helpful? Are you understanding where I'm coming from? I put a message for you, Tate, in the server. I tagged you in it. I wanted to make another note, maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, a lot of that stuff. Yeah, a lot of that stuff really does matter. But I don't know if there's a game like this on Roblox. This game is good overall. Because, like, look, dude, there's especially this too. There's already all these details in the map. There's already, and then also, if you have a map with a border like this for the players, that's fine. Maybe remove it for the spectators if I'm not in a match, right? Remove it for the spectators so that I can see as a spectator. And then yeah. I think am I the only one in this? I am. I'm the only one in the game. All right. I'm getting off. All right, but yeah, I hope that was helpful, Tate. I really think those changes would make a huge difference in your game. Like, that would actually be lit as hell. That game would be really good. All you would have to do then is run ads, bro. Add highlights to the player if you're not in the game. That's a good idea. Holy shit. Just add an outline. Add an outline to the player. Yeah, that's a really good idea. That is a good idea. 9 tours. Tate, if you don't fix that shit up, bro, I'm gonna make that game. Because that game would take me no time to make, bro. And that's a good ass idea. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, bro. What up, Tango? We just went over Tate's game. That is kind of crazy, you know. What's this code? Oh, is that your code editor? You're the goat. I learned so much from you. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Win shift S and then you just drag across. Oh, was it? Tate, let me know. Let me know if you're gonna make these changes, bro. Let me know if you're gonna make these changes, bro. Let me know, bro. Let me know, bro. Because if you don't, I'm gonna make the same damn game. I promise you. That game was fun as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. I just got sidetracked trying to like go over like what we could do make it better. But yeah, that game was lit. And is there not a Roblox game like it either? I don't think there was, bro. There was like these. I don't know what else you would call it though, to be honest. Color hide and seek. Hands hide and seek. Because pest control just wasn't. You don't need to do wall running for that game. That is not a wall running game. Yeah, that's not a wall running game, bro. Oh, you mean for the test project or the random stuff you was working on? Oh, got you, got you, got you, got you. Let me see if I actually have my shit open for slash shot. Yeah, I do actually. If you want to do wall running, I'll post this in the I'll post this in resources. Did I look more buff in that picture, man? I don't even know. I can't even tell. think I did, but maybe it's just the angle. Oh, it's the angle. I'm actually bigger here. Okay. I'm so fucking tired, bro. Holy fucking shit. How long we been streaming? Almost 2 hours. Well, you should make it your active game, bro. What's your active game? You should make it your active. I'm not even lying. That shit was lit. I I just, bro, I'm just like, damn, I'm gonna probably make that game now after Grow a Garden. It would not even take me long to make. But then I have Sumo Ball. But the thing is like Sumo Ball might take me minimum a week. Sumo Ball might take me a minimum of a week. Yeah. Well, all those changes won't take long, bro. All this stuff that I went over, that's like very, you could get that literally done in like an hour, dude. Literally. Same game, just with these changes. And then you would cut out the intermission. Well, you would have like a tiny bit of an intermission, but it would just be the map change and you would see in real time. Kind of like Blade Ball. So I would imagine that game with Blade Ball's game loop. All right. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can lift some more before bed, bro. I also need to get like some PB and J's and shit, dude, for the extra protein. Hypertrophy. 40. Yeah. Yeah. God, hypertrophy. So that's actually not hypertrophy. I was just bullshitting. Hypertrophy is when you do like mini warm-ups. Mini warm-ups. 40 is your warm-up? Are you serious? 40? That was 40, bro. That's my max right now. I can do like 5 reps of 40. Really 3 to 5 reps of 40 because once I do the 5, I'd have to wait like out an hour to do another 5. But I can tell myself getting stronger already, bro, and I just started the 40s. So, like, I can feel myself getting bigger, bro. And I'm just eating shit too. Yeah, like in no time, I feel like, bro, look at my, and I have big hands, bro. I have big ass hands. So you know that shit's, if my hands aren't even covering it all, they're getting pretty swole, dude. Come on. Come on. I have a ton to do. I have to do a ton of reps. I need to get 40s, only have 20s. Well, what's your max? How much do you rep out with 20? Yeah, I hate doing reps. That's why I have the 40s, bro. With the 30s, I'm doing like 15 to 18 reps a set. That shit is not it. So I just bumped up 10. Someone suggested to me to bump up 10 instead of 5. They just said, dude, go for 10. If you're already at fucking 15 to 18 reps on a 30, just fucking bump it all the way up to 10 to 40 instead of 35. Doing 35 would like slow down your strength gain. So I'm going for strength. I'm not going for like size. I'm going for strength. I want to get strong. I don't really care how big I get because with strength comes size, even if I'm not as big as I could be. If that makes sense. 20 reps of 20 and I'm pooped. Okay, that's not bad. That's good. That's good, bro. Yeah, I would go to, if you're at 20, I would go to like 35, dude. Oh, but you said you're pooped? I would go to 35. I mean, it depends on your goal. Do you want to look big or do you want to be strong? Like literally strong. If you want to look big, go for 30s. If you want to build strength, go to 35s. I feel like 40, if you're at 20 reps and you're pooped, I feel like 40 might be too big of a jump. But you could try it. Fuck it. Because all you need to do is to be able to do 3. You just need to be able to do like 3 good ones. And that's going to build your strength. You know what I mean? Like I already feel myself. I've just started the 40s and I already feel myself. A few days, I'm like literally 3 days in the 40s and I already feel myself stronger. And I've been lifting the 40s every day. So, yeah. Fast Locks, what up? Fast Locks. Fast Locks, man. How's your game doing, Fast Locks? Your raft survival. Is it first page yet? Sheesh, man, sheesh. 2.8K, 4 mil, bro. Why'd you sell it? Why'd you sell it? Was the data not good enough for you? Who'd you sell it to? Why? Well, why'd you sell it though? Inter Studios, never heard of them. Why'd you sell it though, bro? Was the data not good enough for you? Okay. Yeah, that's fair. The data must have been like not good enough, I guess. I think, dude, is there a Roblox game like this? The thing is, bro, is there a Roblox game like this? Bro, this was such a good game. Small iterations could literally blow this game up. Honestly, that's just my opinion, though. The rev was bad. Oh, was it? Let's play it real quick. So no brainer to sell because they offer multiple months valuation. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't know, bro. I would not have, me personally, if it was at where it's at, even if the rev was bad, I don't think I would have done it. But I don't know, because I don't know. I'm not in this, I'm not in that boat yet. We'll see. Hey, Fastlocks, have you seen the progress on the Grow game? Dude, I feel like small additions, like for more engaging gameplay, this game would be fire. Like, dude, I really think, honestly, bro, honestly, Fastlocks, I personally think, I personally think it was a mistake to just be able to stand here and activate shit. I really do. Maybe for the coins, but for mining, I should have to like interact or do something for the mining. That's just my take though. That's just my take. I think he missed out on engagement there. I don't know. Yeah, that's just my take though. I could be wrong. I mean, dude, because I do like for the coins. For the coins, I think like it's a good feature. Being able to like stand there and basically be AFK. But then you also already have an AFK feature when you buy like other woodcutters that work for you. So I don't know. I feel like small additions could really have like improved this game quite a bit, bro. But that's just my take. Yeah, good game. I really like this game. All right. Well, RIP that. Or I guess not RIP it, but let it live on in the hands of somebody else. All right, let's look at the progress real quick. Let's look at the progress real quick. Okay, fast locks. Fast locks. Fast locks, bro. Fast locks, bro. I think I have a fucking genius idea going on here, okay? You're about to witness it, all right? I think this is genius. I don't know why nobody's doing it in the grow space yet. I'm probably going to be the first unless there's a grow game out that's doing it already that I don't know about, which there could be. I don't fucking know. But this shit is low-key fire, okay? You're about to watch it in real time. I'm going to let these hatch first and then show you. Bow! What do you think, bro? Bow! What do you think, bro? Did I cook? Did I cook? Did I cook? That's gonna actually I need to write that on my list because that's the one thing I forgot. That's the one thing I was like, I can't remember what I need to do and I keep forgetting. Yes, other players can steal your pets. I'm gonna make that a thing. It's gonna be an expensive ass Game Pass. Or not Game Pass, but dev product. Booster amount goes up. Pet size, that's crossed out. So yeah, these are the last two things, and the pets are done, bro. The pets are done, and then it's just like polishing little effects, animations, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, did I cook or what, Fastlocks? Like, bro, come on, this looks lit. Oh, I didn't hook up these buttons yet, though. I only hooked up the pickup button, but not the thing. Maybe animation when worshipping? Yeah, of course. Of course. I just said that's part of the polishing. There's going to be animations. There's no animations right now in the game. So yeah, of course. Like, they don't even, like, move when they walk around, the little spiders. Look at that little spider. Yeah, there's going to be animations for all that and everything, and it's just going to be polished up and stuff. Yeah, thanks, bro. I just need to hook up this. I might as well do that right now. What is plan with map? Literally, it's going to be like a grow a garden map. It's going to be basic as fuck, bro. Build stream. Build stream? Like, you mean like live stream? Where I'm building? I mean, yeah, I'll do that. I'm just going to be on the... Like, anytime I'm working on this game, I'm streaming, basically. Unless I really feel like I need to lock in on something because I want to get it done fast. But the game's almost... Bro, the game's almost done, low-key. Programming-wise, so I'm just streaming whenever I work on it. But, yeah. The map is going to be super basic. I'm not going to make it, like, anything special, bro. I'm just going to be super basic. I want it to be very, like, no detail, like grow a garden. So we'll see how that ends up looking. I might, like, change it here and there, but yeah. Yeah. Grow grandma's hair, yeah. So you're gonna have a grandma. That's another feature, too, bro. You're gonna be able to feed your grandma because the plot is gonna be her hair. The plot is gonna be her hair, bro. You're gonna be able to feed your grandma, and she's gonna fart out fart particles, and that's gonna like give you a little boost as well. So you're gonna have, and I'm gonna make, I'm doing a watering can system, so you have a watering can, bro, and the VFX is actually, I made a video of the VFX. I live streamed it, so I'm gonna download that live stream later and edit it. Which ones is it? It's this one. So this is the VFX. This is what the VFX for the water that looks like. There. That's the water that's the water. That's a GIF that I made, right? And I turned it into a like a GIF in studio, right? That's playing. So every time you're gonna click with the watering can and your water's gonna deplete, that's gonna be the effect that pops up over the plant. So like the explosion effect when you hatch an egg, that's gonna be over the plant. So there's gonna be 3 types of boosters: water booster, worship booster, and then the fart fertilizer booster. So yeah, those are going to be the boosters. And yeah, it overlaps player. Like, what do you mean? Yeah, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. That's not going to be an issue. But yeah, it does, like, it does go over the player. It's a screen GUI, bro. It's not a particle or anything like that. It's a screen GUI. It's not even a billboard. It's just a screen GUI. Now, like, I could make it a billboard, but I don't really feel like it, to be honest. I actually like it as a screen GUI, and I think it'll work out. I think it'll be fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. So there'll be 3 boosters. Those are the 3 boosters, basically. And yeah. But so you're gonna feed the grandma food, and then she'll fart, and like, yeah. So you can like feed her a melon, like from the tree that you get, right? You can feed her a melon or something, right? And then she'll fart and fertilize your shit for however long. You should grow your mustache again. You're wilding. You're wilding. I mean, sometimes I like it. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't want it. So it's like whatever I'm feeling, to be honest. Fastlocks, what do you think, though, bro? Did I cook or nah? So this game is going to kind of like, it's going to be very different from most Grow a Garden games, bro. From like all other Grow a Garden games. Because it's going to revolve around that boosting mechanic. And you're going to have to engage and interact instead of just sit there and wait. Like grow, buy, sell, grow, buy, sell. That's the usual game loop. This one is grow, boost, sell, buy. So it's boost is like the added one in there, bro. You know what I mean? Which I guess you have like sprinklers, which I'm thinking about adding too, but I'm more so just gonna focus on the watering can for now. But yeah. But then you have like the pets that can give a boost to a plant. Like these are growing faster now. So you know what I mean? I think it's gonna work out. I think it's gonna be cool. I joined stream and all I hear is grandma fart. Yeah, that's crazy, Bucci. That's how it be though. That's how it be though. How big is my code base? It's freaking huge, bro. The code base is huge. And the sounds are lit too, though, bro. Yeah, the sounds are lit too. There was music. There was music in it. There was background music. I just don't know if my sound was on. Yeah, my sound is like, I don't know if it's like completely on right now. But yeah, there was music. Did you not hear it? Could you hear any of the sounds? I don't have my headphones on, so I don't know. But all the sounds are like fucking so satisfying. Like I found some really good ones, bro, for everything. Yeah, well, the sounds are freaking satisfying as hell, bro. I'll show you, like, I'll go over it another stream. I'm just, like, super tired right now. I don't feel like doing my headphones. I'm about to get off. Can't wait to play it, RZ. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. I just, like, I don't want to have to build it all. And you guys know, I mean, I know you guys are like, dude, but you're, like, the best builder ever. Just look at your spider. It has a web butt. Like, dude, look at your spider's web butt. Look at your spider's web butt. You're such a good builder. Oh my god, you're such a good builder. Look at the spider, dude. You're like the best builder ever. And I know, and that's cool. Like, I get it. But, you know, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, dude. Bro. No one can give honest, harsh feedback. Always too nice. Same with me. Like, what do you mean? Everyone just says good game instead of insulting my game. Well, you're talking to some nice people, bro, because I get shitted on all the time, bro. Fucking shit. I get so many haters. Because I have a lot of takes. I have a lot of takes on things because of my marketing experience. So developers I'm usually talking to only develop on Roblox and have Roblox experience, and they adapt these or adopt this certain mindset in certain areas. And my takes kind of like combat that because, yeah, I don't know. But I still get shitted on, bro. But it's not even like criticism. It's just like, I don't even know, bro. That's why I don't go in the dev community anymore, bro. They're weird. But yeah, it's whatever. Chat is super nice though. Chat's super nice. Bro, chat's giving me ideas, bro, for this game, actually. Chat's giving me ideas for the game. Like somebody, Deezers was in here. Freaking, I'm back on coffee, now I'm a demon. That's crazy. I started drinking coffee too, but I still drink tea. I do both. I still drink tea, bro. I do both. I do both. So, yeah, Deezer gave me the idea to make it explode. Thanks, RZ. Like, that looks dope. I mean, come on, bro. That looks so sick. Like, come on, bro. That looks sick. I've been developing since 2021. Coffee's just like easy. I don't know. It's like so easy to like sip on coffee and feel good for a bit. But then tea is like also really good too. But what I do like is I don't drink coffee nearly as much as I used to. I tone down shit and I discipline myself with it. I used to drink so much coffee, bro, and that's not good. So now I only drink like literally a small cup and that's it. I'll just have one cup. No games yet. No games yet. I've just worked for companies, bro. So you started in 2021 too? Nice, bro. Ate a Smurf? It's midnight? It is fucking late as fuck. I need to go to bed, dude. Alright. You're the GAG developer? Cool. Yeah, dude, I'm Jandel. Yep. I do need to go to I need to go to gas station too and get a fucking PB&J. I didn't eat much today. Yeah, here's my here's my pet controller because I'm using Knit. It's 1189 lines. Oof. All right, guys. I need to get off. Holy fuck. I hope everybody has a good night. W stream. You guys are fucking awesome. Yeah, PB&J time, bro, for sure. It's a quick like 15 grams of protein, so they sell like really fresh ones. There's this gas station called Quick Trip. It's like super. It's where they sell like actual fresh food. Like they don't. It's not like nasty. But yeah, peace out, Fast Locks. Have a good night, RZ. Good night, XD. Have a good night, Nine Tours. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. I will be on tomorrow, by the way. All right.